Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Not probably seen my face before, but I'm Madmick, giving you all the Zontes videos, etc. Today I'm going to do something on my bike, my GK350 Zontes, and it's to do with this. I am going to take the front D.I.Y 4-piston caliper off, and it's some 5,000 miles now, the bike now, so I've got some tools, basically this one here to take them two bolts out there. I'm going to take the speed sensor off. Then I've got two little pins at the back, so just a little pair of needle pliers to get them off, the little circuits off the back there. Then this to get the actual pins, pad pins out, and then I can hang it up with this, so it doesn't hit anything or anything. And then I'll have a look at the pads, see what the pads are like. But basically I want to clean the pistons, the 4 pistons. I've decided not to take the speed sensor off here. What I'm going to do is follow the cable up here. I'm just going to unclip it from the other one there and there. That way then it's out of the way and I don't have to worry about it. So now, because I'm not going to worry about the speed sensor, I'm just going to do the two big bolts to get it off. Hold. Clean these up afterwards. I'll show you that in a minute. Right, two big bolts are basically off now, so I should be able to take the caliper off. These are off. That's just the caliper completely off. Nice and new. There we go. You can see the pads are a bit worn, but what I'm trying to get is I'll get the pads out by taking these two circlips off here and then taking the pad pins out. I can bring the pads forward, and I want to get inside because I want to clean the actual pistons. I'll show you that in a minute. I'm going to show you taking these two circlips off the back. There's a pull position at the top there, so where you see that bit there, you can put your pinhole pliers and just pull it out. So as you can see, I have the pistons all coming out to more or less. Don't get them too far out, because if you do, they'll come out and all your brake fluid will pop out as well. But you can pop them back in if you need to. Quickly just pop them back in. Yeah, so they're all nice and clean now. That's all I want to do is clean the pistons. But yes, I'm going to get some more brake pads, because yeah, these are the D.I.Y original pads. I'll probably get some EBC sintered, or not get sintered, I don't know, because sintered ones tend to go like this. They tend to just get all shiny. I'll probably get some normal pads, some eco-friendly pads from EBC. Yep, so I'll get them ordered. Some meat on them left still, but what they end up doing is damaging your disc. So yeah, I'll sort that out. Well, I tried to show you, but I'm not very good at this filming like myself. So anyway, it's all back together now. I'm going to order some new pads, because yeah, I put some copper grease on the back of the pads, on the pins. I cleaned the pins up and put the pins through. So clean them all up first and put some copper grease on it there, so the pads can move freely, because the pads are actually attached to it. Just going to tighten these two bolts up now, then just check it, make sure it works, and I'll just order some. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the proper video on how to do it that the factory shows you, because I'm not very good at this. Tatty bye, I'll see you all later. Madmick signing off.
西护卡钳更换制动片视频教程。准备工具：剪刀4号内六角、8号内六角、T25花形内六角。使用4号内六角拆下固定轮速传感器的一颗 M6×16的螺栓。使用8号内六角拆下固定前制动上的2颗 M10×60的螺栓，小心取出前制动卡钳，防止磕伤轮网。使用剪刀挑出螺栓上的固定挡圈。使用 T25的梅花内六角拆下固定制动片的2颗螺栓。 将制动片取出后，再取出固定拨片。将固定拨片按照拆卸下来的方向重新装回后，套入新的制动片。注意，拨片带凸起的一端应在下方安装。将制动拨片上端的中间部分朝下按压后，把螺栓穿过制动片。注意，拨片上端中间部分应在螺栓下方。按下制动拨片下端的凸起，将螺栓穿过下方制动片的孔位。注意，螺栓应穿过拨片中间圆形凸起。使用 T25 花形内六角将固定制动片的螺栓拧紧，将挡圈扣回螺栓处，防止螺栓脱落。使用1字劈将制动卡钳的活塞顶回后，将制动片分开。将固定卡钳的2颗 M10×60的螺栓装回，扭力标准为45到50牛米。将轮速传感器线束整理好，再使用1颗 M6×16的螺栓固定好。后制动片拆装方法和前制动片拆装方法一致。
I'm coming for the throne.